I've known Philip and Jennifer a long time. They've been longtime family friends. They helped me purchase a house about 3 years ago. It was very smooth, super great. They handled the paperwork that I didn't understand and helped me through that entire process. So I do recommend them to everybody. They've continued to grow that professional relationship with us through events like this, and they're always available for questions that we've had since then.
Well, they've been our realtors for the past 2 house purchases that we've made.
A lot less painful than we thought it would be. They have all the right documentation and they've got a lot of good advice. I would not sell one without a realtor. So it seems like there's so many pitfalls and they help you through all of them.